The anointing of barbecue wings. The anointing of barbecue wings is on the grill, cooking very slow. Whoever though may eat this will feel the love and the presence of God. I know my client, she gonna love it and she gonna be coming back and back and back. God is gonna like be a blessing to her, that she'll be a blessing to me, and I can be a blessing to others. Barbecue, homemade barbecue at that, and saturate into that chicken. I can taste it right there, but the aroma is everywhere, all over the place.